Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more. And if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to test your internet's download and upload speed. Start by going to the link below. You should land on this page. To start the test, simply click on Go. Under the Go button, your provider should be shown. It will start with testing your download speed. The download speed refers to how quickly you receive data online, such as texts, music, images, videos, and of course how fast you can download a game or update. It tells you how many megabytes of data per second it takes to download data from a server. After that, it will test your upload speed. The upload speed refers to how quickly you can send out data to the internet. It tells you how fast you can send out information from your computer to another device or server on the internet. When the test is done, it will show you your download and upload speed in Mbps and also your ping in ms. This data tells you if your internet is fast or not, but this also depends on what subscription you have with your provider and where you are located. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.